All right, so the Z needs a little bit of attention. The 300 manual here. It's got a funny noise that I am pretty sure is something in the exhaust, or at least I'm hoping is in the exhaust. We're gonna take it up to the shop and look at it. And apparently the speedometer has stopped working. So we got to look into both of those issues. So let's see how this thing cold starts here. All right, clutch in. Pull it out of gear. This one generally cold starts better than the other one for whatever reason. Let the fuel pump prime. Well, you can't really argue with that. Man, this Z sits real comfortably at 130. Unplug 2 cylinders so we wouldn't miss and make the noise better. Sure. Yeah, that's loud. Let's go take it around the block. Alright, so with no cat, it appears to not be making the noise anymore.
I just hear happy engine noises.
You just hear happy engine noises? You're trying not to get shocked by the thing. Are you ready for me?
Yep.
Okay.
I just had to get that shot of you and your sunglasses zoomed in like a movie star.
Thank you.
Okay, ready?
Let's go chop some Mustangs.
We put a turbo on it and we cut the exhaust off.
It's not 10 o'clock. This would be perfectly to take a Waffle House.
Yeah, that would be pretty good. But we can't go to Waffle House while other restaurants are open.
No.
That's just a fact. You can only go to Waffle House when it's... Who in the hell is that?
I don't know. Want to go say hi?
No. Wait, yeah, kinda.
Let's do a flyby and then we'll say hi.
Nah, just pull up there and we can ask him.
V6s sound good straight piped. Ready?
Yep.
I see why they wanted these motors quiet.
Yeah.
That's a short bed. That was only 4,000 RPM. That's too loud. Runs good now.
Yeah, it really does.
A little noisy.
A little bit.
I can't see the glare. there's that lack of torque.
Yep.
Yo, yeah, did I tell you I stalled it on the way over here?
No, you didn't.
New catalytic converter. Let's see if this one's any quieter. Okay, is my seatbelt gonna... Is the horn work? Oh, absolutely.
Kind of low on the oil pressure.
Listen, don't tell me lies like that. Okay, so far no noise. That might help. I would have figured it out, don't worry.
Parking brake.
And clutch is all the way up.
Parking brake is on.
Oh, I didn't know this one talked.
It does.
Oh, here, I gotta open up the door while driving. It'll tell me to it'll gently tell me to close the door.
That's awesome. I didn't realize it talked. That's so cool. What a pleasant little voice.
Yeah.
I wish she said it in Japanese because that'd be cooler.
I wish it was an angry man just screaming at me. Yeah, let's see if it'll tell me to close the door.
Left door is open. Left door is open.
That's awesome.
How nice is that?
It's so polite.
I didn't know this one talked. That makes me so happy. I wonder if I guess the auto talks too. I've never screwed around with that one.
Yeah.
But how much better is that than just
Does
a
the
light
fuel
one?
gauge not work?
It does when it wants. It'll kick on here in a couple of minutes, a little bit.
Okay, come on.
The speedometer did the same thing. It didn't work, and now all of a sudden it works. See, I just don't know how to let the clutch out smooth on this thing. Unless you just can't.
We'll just be smooth. Try balancing it a bit more, so don't just leave the gas. Add gas as you pull the clutch. See if that helps. Even between the gears, try that.
Yeah.
Try adding a little gas as you pull. See how that goes.
That was gas. Unless it wants less gas, I don't know.
Maybe less, I don't know. It still is a bit bumpy.
Can't hear it anymore. I'm kind of disappointed, honestly.
No, it's so quiet now. That's unfortunate.
Car's really good though.
It really is a nice little car.